Bonsoir à tous et bienvenue, vous ne vous trompez pas, c'est bien le volleyball africain qui est à l'honneur avec cette nouvelle journée de compétition en direct du Palais Polyvalent des Sports de Yaoundé où on dispute aujourd'hui les demi-finales de ce tournoi qualificatif pour les Jeux de Rio. C'est au mois de juillet prochain. Aujourd'hui, c'est la première affiche de demi-finale qui nous plonge dans les premières ambiances ici au Palais des Sports entre le Kenya et l'équipe d'Égypte. Bonjour Cyril.
Good afternoon, Charlie Merenosiatu, and welcome to you. How are you doing today?
I'm fine.
We're gradually drawing to the end of this tournament, so it's certainly has been an exciting tournament.
Sure.
Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Yaoundé Multipurpose Sports Complex, where we certainly gradually and maybe going to the end of this competition as we bring to you the four of these ongoing qualification to Rio 2016. That's the Olympic Games scheduled for Rio later this year, practically maybe precisely in August. So we certainly are having this very thrilling encounter, the first semi-final of the day, pitting Kenya against Egypt. It's a thrilling encounter. Well, we shall be giving you lots and lots of this. Just to tell you that a few minutes ago, the fifth place encounter just ended. That's those two teams who were fighting for the fifth spot of the tournament just ended. We had Botswana, who was playing against Tunisia, one of the favorite teams of this tournament, but the tables turned the other way for Team Tunisia as they were thrashed by Botswana 3 sets to 2, Charlie.
Et voilà, donc c'est donc dit, et voilà, c'est l'équipe du Botswana qui remporte le match de la 5e place face à celle de Tunisie. 3-7-2, ça c'est un match qui est allé jusqu'au tie-break. Une belle surprise pour l'équipe du Botswana, dont nous recevrons dans le coup de ce plateau la capitaine, sans autre tenue autre que Kerabo Molefa. On la recevra ici pour dire ses émotions, mais déjà, nous avons le plaisir d'accueillir sur notre plateau Eric Pella de Camtel qui accompagne cet événement. Bonjour Eric et bienvenue.
Bonjour Charlie Merinos, bonjour à tous nos téléspectateurs qui nous reçoivent cet après-midi à la maison. Il faut leur dire que l'ambiance telle qu'ils la voient chez eux, c'est vraiment pareil. Beaucoup de couleurs, beaucoup de fêtes, beaucoup de bonnes choses ici. Et il faut dire que c'est un plaisir pour Camtel de donner le meilleur pour supporter cet événement. Et pour nous, c'est important parce qu'avec les produits Camtel, les services qui sont disponibles dans les agences, on peut s'offrir la même ambiance qu'il y a ici à la maison.
Et parlant des produits Camtel, qu'est-ce que vous nous proposez justement à l'occasion de cette compétition?
Alors les innovations tarifaires chez nous, c'est que vous pouvez désormais avoir le double play, c'est-à-dire l'internet, vous pouvez avoir également le téléphone, nous appelons ça le MBOA, à partir simplement de 14 900 francs. Vous avez tous ces services à la maison, plus de tracasseries, le téléphone fixe, l'internet haut débit. Ça se parle vraiment en tout respect pour dire qu'avec Camtel, cette année, nous allons vivre beaucoup d'émotions et ça commence ici au Palais Polyvalent des Sports avec les qualifs pour Rio.
Et vous faites bien de le dire.
Exactly, Eric Capella, the communication agent of Camtel. Tell us, what does Camtel put up in place for what those is something called voice? What is the package put up by Camtel?
There are many packages. There are many packages. Let me talk about the story package, which is present in our agents. With only 500, you can have many telecommunications times to speak with people. With 1,000, you can subscribe to one offer named Toli Asso. With this Toli Asso, you can communicate within 1 week in Camtel network without any other fees.
Exactly.
That is very important for us to have time to communicate with friends, with people. That is important.
Well, with Camtel, you're always sure you're going the right way. Then, we are certainly drawing to the end of this tournament, given that we are 4 days into the tournament. And the last day will certainly be on Wednesday when we get to the finals of this competition. But what has been happening during the first, second, third days? That's the group stage matches were certainly very compelling, given that we recorded different results. And for us to know who won who, for how many points, let's get to our videotape to get the standings and maybe the different fixtures and scores of this tournament for the past 3 days. Let's get to the videotape.
Et voilà, sur ces sonorités, ces belles images qui donnent une originalité particulière à cette compétition qui est le tournoi préliminaire des Jeux Olympiques de Rio au mois de juillet prochain. C'est une compétition qui réunit les 7 meilleures nations du continent. Aujourd'hui, on dispute les demi-finales. En ce moment, nous sommes rendus au 3e set entre l'Égypte et le Kenya. Sur le tableau d'affichage, vous avez vu, c'est le Kenya qui a remporté le premier. L'Égypte a remporté l'Égypte a remporté le premier set. Le Kenya a remporté le second. Nous sommes au 3e. C'est un match aussi long que ce qu'on a disputé hier. Mais sur ce plateau, nous accueillons maintenant la capitaine de l'équipe botswanaise. Je vous ai introduit tout à l'heure. Elle est là avec nous. Il s'agit bien de Kerabo Molefa. Elle parle anglais. Hello, welcome.
Thank you.
How do you feel being in Cameroon?
It's not bad. It's a good place. Most of the weather here is cool than in our country. In our country is hot.
Hot?
Yeah.
I think you might be happy after the second victory your team tried to make today.
Yeah, to us, winning against Tunisia is an achievement. It's the first time we won against Tunisia.
Exactly, and talking about Tunisia, this match was certainly a very compelling match, given that you people won the first 2 sets.
Yeah.
That Tunisia came in to win the second and third set. Now you went on a tie break. Tell me, how did you manage winning the first 2 sets and giving the other 2 sets to Tunisia? Was it like maybe the people felt discouraged or what?
According to the rankings, Tunisia have been higher than us. Yeah. So after they took the third and the fourth set, we talked to ourselves, we have nothing to lose. Most of that is they are ranked higher than us. We have nothing to lose but everything to gain. So that's what boosted our morale.
Now during the tie break, Tunisia again took the lead, leading you people by 8 points to 3. Now you came up back. I don't know, what it's like a spectacular show coming up back. How did you feel? Did you girls concert and say, hey girls, we are going, this is Tunisia we're facing. How do we need to tackle this team, Tunisia?
It takes hard work and believe in ourselves to cover up to beat Tunisia in the deciding set. Most of that they were leading. We were just determined to win this one. We couldn't afford to go home empty-handed.
We have come to the end of this competition for your team, exactly. Tell us, can we consider it as a happy end? Because at the beginning you were not considered one of the favorite country to this event.
It is a happy ending. I'm so confident that the rest of the days we are going to spend here in
Yaoundé.
Oh really?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So what's the next step for your country? I know we're going to take part. You are not going to take part of the Rio competition. What's the next step for your country, or for your team?
Our next step is going to be, we have to work hard because from here we are number 5. Exactly. We have to make sure that the next competitions we perform better than this one. So for us it's an assignment.
Exactly. You said you were just the few days you'll be in Yaoundé in Cameroon. You were enjoying You've certainly been enjoying. What's your best dish so far in Cameroon? What have you eaten that you like maybe come back next time and say, hey, I want to get this
dish? The fish is nice and the pow.
So before leaving us, please tell us how do you appreciate the whole competition? You know, we play with many teams. How do you appreciate the quality, the level of this competition?
To me, it's so organized. It's the best organization I've ever seen in Africa. The open ceremony is the best one I've ever seen. And the outfits the ladies here who organize us are wearing every day, they're just so marvelous.
Thank you, Kerabo Molefa. You stay with us, right? You stay with us because on va poursuivre avec le programme.
Exactly. Maybe we get to the next element on our schedule. Just to say that yesterday, like Charlie was rightly saying, we had this seemingly, I'll call it the gala match between Algeria and Egypt, because they were like saying, hey, who is going to face these two teams? And then who certainly was going to face that team? It was Team Egypt, who certainly had a hard one out there with Algeria. But then, for you to have an idea of what happened yesterday, pitting the encounter, counting for Egypt against Algeria, let's get to the videotape and watch the highlights of that encounter.